Spanning miles of coastline, this advanced manufacturing campus represents the future.
Platform 5 is loaded, ready for transfer.
Confirmed. Moving to assembly jig now.
Forklift 5, expedite lane 2. We need that titanium bundle cleared now.
Roger, moving to conveyor.
Here in the metallurgy lab, we ensure the integrity of every batch. These samples of titanium,
Confirmation on heat number 742, degassing flow is stable.
Roger that. Vessel 2 temperature holding steady.
The ultrasonic readings are clear here.
Confirmed. The laser profile matches the schematic perfectly.
Inside the continuous kiln, thermal protection components undergo high-temperature sintering, a critical step ensuring sure.
Check the vacuum seal integrity on Sector 3.
Laser alignment confirms the tool is within tolerance.
this machining cell operates with exceptional cleanliness and speed, ensuring a continuous flow of finished shells.
Check the leading edge tolerance.
Reading within spec. Send it through.
The robotic arms precisely apply a uniform ceramic layer. This thermal barrier coating is essential for the internal propulsion components.
Laser alignment shows green on section 4.
Copy that. Proceeding with torque sequence.
Blank loaded, cycle start.
Confirmed. Running sequence.
That brings the residual down to 0.05.
Excellent. Let's rack it and load the next unit.
The conformal coating provides a vital barrier against moisture and contaminants, ensuring long-term reliability.
Z-axis alignment is stable. Increasing the frequency now.
Confirmed. Thermal parameters are holding steady.
Cycle 4 completed nominal. Moving the tray out now. Data logs confirm stable thermal regulation. Ready for the next batch.
Ensure the diagnostic leads are fully seated before the cycle test. We need that data immediately.
Check the routing guide for zone 3.
Confirmed. Clamps secured at interval 5.
Moving the platform up slightly. Alignment stable at 0.4.
Copy that. Proceeding with the forward join sequence.
Clear for torque application.
The installation of the thermal protection system requires millimeter precision, ensuring the integrity of the vehicle's atmospheric entry. A Floret seal integrity inspection is critical. As the fluid is applied, the UV lamps reveal any microscopic flaws in the joint interfaces.
Pushing the probe past the bracket now.
Clear on my end. Particle count remains at 0.
Verification complete for this segment.
Acknowledged. Clear to proceed.
We have stabilization at rated pressure.
Roger that. Leak detection reports nominal readings across the board.
Channel 12 isolated and cleared.
Moving to the next interface station.
The C-band emissions are within tolerance on the forward array.
Confirmed. Let's proceed with the S2 parameter sweep.
The multi-axis platform allows us to simulate the extreme forces of launch and re-entry in a controlled environment.
We are clear on the left side, moving forward 10 centimeters.
Confirmed. Alignment looks good. Proceed slowly.
Service lines 1 through 4 connected and secured.
We're seeing expected thermal expansion on the main sensor.
Yes, the gradient is holding steady.
The contraction data is stable.
Confirmed. We are ready for the recovery sequence.
Initiating warm-up in 5.
Strain readings confirmed on gamma.
Copy that. Preparing next transition profile.
Sequence initiated.
Pressure trace on panel 7 is spiking, ramping down the flow rate. Check the boundary layer now.
Flow visualization confirms separation at the trailing edge.
Command sequence verified.
Telemetry stable. Launching next scenario.
Initiating fault sequence on panel 4.
Confirmed. Failover engaged. Green status nominal.
Acknowledged. Restoring baseline.
Voltage stability remains within the 3 sigma limit.
Good. The discharge balance is holding steady on rack 4.
Phased array shows no subsurface anomalies.
X-ray panel aligned.
Verified.
Proceed to the next segment.
Flagged area B9 alpha.
Confirmed clearance. The paint consistency is flawless.
Thermal charts verified.
Yes, Supervisor. All parameters are within tolerance.
Good. Release the package.
Torque on panel 49er confirmed.
Reading accepted. Checklist item 2B signed off.
The preservation process is meticulous, ensuring the aerospace vehicle remains pristine for transport.